Hi, I'm SJ, International Makeup Artist for bareMinerals. I want to introduce you to the newest member of the BarePRO family. It's our BarePRO 16-hour wear full coverage concealer. This is an amazing multitasker for concealing, correcting, neutralizing, highlighting, and contouring. First, I'm going to start by prepping my skin with the bareMinerals BarePRO Performance Wear Foundation. This has got an SPF of 20 and is 24-hour wear. Pop a couple of pumps onto the back of your hand, and then using the Luxe Performance brush, sweep the foundation up onto your brush and then apply to the key areas of the complexion: nose, cheeks, forehead, chin, and then just buff. So this foundation is a gorgeous creamy liquid texture, and it's got a medium to full coverage. It has an incredible soft focus pore blurring effect. It also promotes a much clearer skin texture. The great thing about the BarePRO liquid is it's designed for all skin types and is going to give you a beautiful natural matte finish. It's oil-free and fragrance-free. It's also dermatologist tested and won't sit in fine lines or block open pores. So we're talking about a foundation that's not only going to give you an amazing coverage, but it's full of skin-loving ingredients. So it's long wear that cares. Bamboo stem extract and papaya are also going to promote a much clearer, healthier looking skin. Now that I've prepped my skin with bareMinerals BarePRO Performance Wear Foundation, I'm ready to conceal. So to conceal and neutralise around the nose, just one swipe of the BarePRO concealer, perhaps one shade lighter than your foundation, to neutralise any redness around the nose. Just one swipe is all you need. You can either press and roll into the skin using your ring finger, or use the amazing Shade and Diffuse eye brush. Micronized bamboo going to blur the appearance of imperfections and give you that gorgeous smooth looking skin. So to pinpoint any pimples, use a concealer shade the same color as your foundation, because we don't want to draw attention to them and highlight them with a lighter shade. Also, I love to use the gorgeous Glide liner brush. Simply pick up the concealer on the brush and then just use your finger to lightly press and roll to get amazing 16-hour wear. For dark circles, I like to just feather my Shade and Diffuse eye brush into the concealer and then gently onto the skin. Just gently blend as you go to get a beautiful, smooth, even coverage. Always remember, you can take that over the eyelid as well. And the great thing about this concealer is it's waterproof, smudge-proof and crease-proof. So perfect for using around the eye area. With its amazing ingredients, raspberry seed oil, blackcurrant and sea lavender, to combat dryness and replenish nourishment in the skin. So now let's highlight. Simply choose a concealer 2 to 3 shades lighter than your natural skin tone and just use it along the high points of the complexion. The other benefits of this beautiful concealer is it's dermatologist tested. It's not going to irritate the skin or sit in the open pores. So it improves the appearance of your skin, not just straight away, but over time. And then I'm just going to blend that in using the Shade and Diffuse eye brush for those perfect highlights. And you can see how it blends beautifully into the complexion. So to contour, choose a concealer 2 to 3 shades darker than your natural skin tone. Take the dark colour down under the cheekbones, under the jaw, a little bit under the tip of the nose, tiny bit down the sides of the nose, into the crease contour of the eye, and then a little bit just up around